Renault's SUV range will be completely renewed in the middle of the decade. The world premiere of the Kadjar in 2022 will give way to a family with 3 bodies, adding the unprecedented coupe and a longer variant with 7 seats, which we anticipate in this recreation. The replacement for the Koleos will arrive at the end of 2023, as a 2024 model. With the new generation of the Renault Kadjar on sale, the next step that is about to be completely renewed is that of the Kadjar, with a completely new generation that will see the light of the spotlight in spring 2022. A model that, in reality, it will almost become a family, as the compact SUV will bring 2 more bodies including an unprecedented coupe. The next one will arrive in mid-2023, but it will not be as unprecedented or anything special, but rather a master move, and that we will anticipate in this new recreation. It will be very familiar to you, of course, as it is simply a longer variant of the new Kadjar to offer 3 rows of seats and 7 seats, and with a fixed rear glass in the larger rear pillar offering a greater sense of space. This will be the future model that will replace the Koleos. An identical strategy to Peugeot's neighbors with the 3008, 2023 and 5008, 2023, which allows each model to be positioned in a market category. The 5-seater in segment C and the 7-seater in segment D. Best of all, this model that will replace the Koleos will not involve a large outlay for the manufacturer's coffers, since a large part of the development will be inherited from the replacement of the Kadjar. A new model with a new name that will replace the Koleos. Because, despite being a name that has not had problems in Europe or Asia, the firm is willing to change it, without contemplating combinations of the Grand Kadjar type or the rescue of names that appeared on concept cars. The Espace is the one with the most possibilities, pointed out because it perfectly reflects the qualities of the new SUV. It belongs to its upper segment and, they say, it is no longer so related to minivans. Renault's future 7-seater SUV is known by the internal code, DHN, and is expected to hit the market in 2 years. The French brand has assigned its production to the Spanish factory in Palencia, starting in the spring of 2023. The future model will only have the new 1.2 E-Tech 3-cylinder gasoline engine that the new Kadjar will debut, although with different levels of power from 140 to 230 HP thanks to different mechanical configurations such as MHEV, hybrid, and plug-in hybrid, all with automatic transmission.